Like opening a path to send spirits on their way to liberation, paper horse puppets and riders were raced out of the inner shrine and burned. This marked the beginning of the final ritual of the 2019 Lingzhou Mountain Buddha Society Waterland Dharma Assembly. For 8 days and 7 nights, more than 10,000 followers from all over the world traveled to Taoyuan Arena to attend the assembly. All rituals were carried out according to a 1500-year-old tradition to liberate spirits, sentient beings, and bad karma from suffering. Founding abbot of Lingzhou Mountain Buddha Society, Dharma Master Xingdao, reminded everyone that the mindset that they have been cultivating here for the past 8 days should continue in their daily life.
无论四圣六凡，无论亲疏怨嗔呢，这场大和解的聚会呢，我们熏习种种的善念，实践种种的善行，松开种种的恩怨，带着这8天7夜的修持记忆，我们回家后呢，持续的用正念过生活，做事业。
To some, this is a chance to achieve peace and reconciliation with the spirit of not only their loved ones, but their enemies as well. To others, this is also a way to take part in and uphold a tradition and culture that have brought hope and guidance to Buddhist followers for over 15 centuries. After the sermon and more recitation of sutras, a giant papier-mâché boat was carried out of the arena, symbolizing the safe passage of those that were prayed for and liberated to a space and time where they can seek refuge in Amitabha Buddha of Sukhavati, the western land of ultimate bliss.